Some lights are made for journeys yet to come. With every step into the unknown, EverBrite guides you forward. The trail twists under 2 feet, and we begin to see what matters. Not the distance covered, but how we move through it. Aware, unhurried, and enjoy what the night offers. Night doesn't fall, it unfolds. When the world narrows to a shared space and time slows, light becomes less about seeing and more about feeling. Lightings we provide, but far more than lightings. EverBrite stands ready, right when you need it. It supports rather than interrupts the moment, clear enough to see while soft enough to stay. Every new discovery in life, light follows wherever you advance. Not just seeing where you're going, but understanding where you are. To keep moving, to stay focused, to fix what needs fixing and find what needs finding. When the road bends under the wheels, beams appear before the tree line unveils. Dawn can wait, adventure won't. EverBrite, lighting up your world.